Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing Kuhn-Tucker two variables and two inequality constraints problem number 3. Welcome back friends. Let us discuss third problem of two variables, two inequality constraint of Kuhn-Tucker. Now here in this case we'll be solving a minimized problem. Two problems that we discussed were of maximized type. Now we are discussing a minimized type problem. Problem will be similar, steps will be similar. Let us do it quickly. Here again there are two constraints. H1 is 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6. 4 will come to this side and 2x1 plus x2 minus 4. Then we need to find a Lagrange's function L, that is x1 square minus 2x1 minus x2 minus lambda 1 times the first constraint, that is 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 minus lambda 2 times the second constraint, 2x1 plus x2 minus 4. Dou L upon dou x1, let us find it out. This will be 2x1 minus 2. This will be 0. With respect to x1, if you are differentiating, this will be minus 2 lambda 1, 0, 0. And here it will be minus 2 lambda 2 equal to 0. Next, dou L upon dou x2 with respect to x2. So this is minus 1. With respect to x2, from this it will be minus 3 lambda 1. See here. And from this you will get minus lambda 2 equal to 0. Equation number 3 will be lambda 1 time constraint. And what is the constraint? This one, 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 equal to 0. Next, lambda 2 times second constraint, that is this, 2x1 plus x2 minus 4 equal to 0. Next, constraint less than equal to 0, 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 less than equal to 0. Next, second constraint less than equal to 0, that is 2x1 plus x2 minus 4 less than equal to 0. And finally x1 x2 greater than equal to 0, lambda 1 lambda 2. See, the problem is minimized, therefore the very first time it will be less than equal to 0. If the problem is of maximized category, then lambda 1 lambda 2 will be greater than equal to 0, but if it is minimized, then it has to be less than equal to 0. Let us start with the cases. 4 cases, same. Lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 equal to 0, put in equation number 1 and 2. If I'll put in equation number 1 and 2, lambda 1 and lambda 2 both 0. See, let us directly put in equation number 2. If I'll put in equation number 2 lambda 1 lambda 2 both 0, this means minus 1 equal to 0. See here, if I'll put lambda 1 and lambda 2 both 0 in equation number 2, so this will be gone and I'll get minus 1 equal to 0, which is obviously not possible, therefore reject. No need to go ahead, no need to find anything. After putting lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 equal to 0 in equation number 2, we got something which is not acceptable, that's it. So we're gonna reject the pair lambda 1 equal to 0 and lambda 2 equal to 0. Let's move on and let's discuss the next pair. Next case, lambda 1 equal to 0 and lambda 2 not equal to 0. Put in 1, same procedure. Put in 1 and 2, lambda 1 equal to 0. If I'll put in equation number 1, lambda 1 equal to 0, I will get 2x1 minus 2 lambda 1 putting 0 minus 2 lambda 2 equal to 0. And from equation number 2, if we put lambda 1 equal to 0, we'll get minus 1 minus lambda 2 equal to 0. From this we'll get the value of lambda 2. Lambda 2 will go to that side and will become plus minus 1. We got the value of lambda 2. We already know the value of lambda 1, which is 0. So for this particular case, lambda 2 is minus 1, lambda 1 is 0. We need to find it out, x1 and x2. Lambda 2 not equal to 0 from equation number 3. From equation number 4. See here, lambda 2 not equal to 0. what does this mean? This particular equation equal to 0. That is 2x1 plus x2 minus 4 equal to 0. Let us put lambda 2. See here we need to solve. We need to have few calculations and to get the result. So put lambda 2 equal to minus 1 here. So from this equation we'll get 2x1. If I'll put lambda 2 is equal to minus 1, so this is minus 2 plus 2. Lambda 2 is minus 1, so minus minus plus 2 and 2 will be cancelled. X1 will be 0. Put lambda 2 is equal to minus 1 here and try getting it. X1 will be 0. If I'll put x1 equal to 0 here, x2 will be 4. So I got x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 4. Now let us check. See, equation number 7 satisfied. See here. Lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 equal to minus 1. And what is the equation number 7? Lambda 1, lambda 2 must be less than equal to 0 because the problem is of minimization type. So this is acceptable. There is no problem. But we need to check 5 and 6 also. Let us check for equation number 5. If I'll put x1 is equal to 0, so this is gone. x2 equal to 4, so this will be 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6. 6 less than equal to 0. 6 less than equal to 0. Not satisfied. 5 not satisfied. Reject. This is reject. Let us move on. And case number 3, let us discuss. See, lambda 1 is not equal to 0 from equation number 3. Lambda 1 not 0 means this particular thing is equal to 0. 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 6 equal to 0. Lambda 2 equal to 0, put in 1 and 2. So if I'll put in 1 and 2, lambda 2 equal to 0. So this will be minus 1 minus 3 lambda 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 3 lambda 1 is equal to 0 because lambda 2 is equal to 0. And from this, I'm going to get the value of lambda 1. See here. Minus 3 lambda 1 will go to that side, will become 3 lambda 1. So lambda 1 value is minus 1 by 3. And if I'm going to put lambda 2 equal to 0 in equation number 1, so this will be 2x1 minus 2 minus 2 lambda 1. Lambda 2 we are going to put it as 0. So from this equation, if I'll put lambda 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 here. So this will be 2x1 minus 2. Lambda 1 is minus 1 by 3. So this minus minus will become plus and that will become 2 by 3. So if you solve, you will get the value of x1 as 2 by 3. Simplify this, you will get the value of x1 as 2 by 3. Now we got x1. We do have lambda 1. Let us put x1 in this particular equation. X1 is 2 by 3. I'm going to put here, and from this particular equation, let's say this is A. Put in A. So that will become 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3x2 minus 6 equal to 0. If you solve this equation, we will get the value of x2 as 14 by 9. Now let us check which conditions are satisfied. First of all, let us check for 7. See, x1, x2 both are greater than equal to 0 and lambda 2 is 0 and lambda 1 is minus 1 by 3. Means lambda 1, lambda 2 both are less than equal to 0. 7 satisfied. Let us check for 5 and 6. If I'll put x1 and x2 here, x1 is 2 by 3 and x2 is 14 by 9. In this particular equation, this equation here and here, if I'll put, you can put and you can check. 5 and 6 both satisfied. 5, 6 and 7. 7 is already satisfied. All satisfied. Please do this calculation and verify from your side. Put x1, x2 here and check. Please do it. 5 will be satisfied, and if you put here 6 will be satisfied. 7 is by default satisfied already. All are satisfied. That means we're going to accept this pair. X1 and x2 are my final values. If I'm going to put in z, I'm going to get the value of z minimum as minus 22 upon 9. Please check. Please x1 and x2 put in z and check the value. Let us solve for the last case. Lambda 1 not equal to 0, lambda 1, lambda 2 not equal to 0, from 3, from 4. From 3, this will be equal to 0. From 4, this will be equal to 0. Both are 0. If you put in calculator, you will get x1 as 3 by 2 and x2 as 1. So we got x1 and x2. Now one option that you have, put in equation number 5 and 6, x1, x2 value, and check whether they are satisfied or not, so that you can do. But what I'm doing, I'm trying to find the values of lambda. How to find lambda's value? See, this x1 and x2 value, put in equation number 1 and 2. In fact, only in equation number 1 it is required. If I'll put the value of x1 here, that is 3 by 2. So this will become, see, x1 is 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So in short, it will be minus 2 lambda 1 minus 2 lambda 2 is equal to minus 1. And second equation is, see here, minus 3 lambda 1 minus lambda 2 equal to 1. If we solve these two equations, we'll get the value of lambda 1 as minus 3 by 4 and lambda 2 will get it as 5 by 4. See here, this is negative, this is positive. Since the problem is of minimization type, lambda 1 and lambda 2 must be less than equal to 0. See here, 7 not satisfied. Therefore reject. So that is it. Only one pair will be accepted and that's the solution, but we need to solve all the 4 cases. So this is the problem of minimization type. Hope you understood. We're done with it. Thank you.